Good morning to all. Today you will learn about the energy from the sun. In that lesson, the temperature of atmosphere. How do we measure the temperature, and how do we measure the high level of temperature like sun? Understand? And next, so where is recorded highest and lowest recorded temperatures in the world? The next one, it is the minimum and maximum temperature. How do we measure that? The average temperature, monthly average temperature and annual temperature. Understand? Under moderate climate and continental climate, like continental means extreme climate conditions. Inversion means what? And some places are different, their temperatures are recorded differently. If you see in India, North India places or South India places, so the temperatures are differently there. For example, in Delhi and Chennai, if you take the Delhi temperature and Chennai, both the places located in India, but differences are there, temperatures recorded differently. So why? Understand, it is, we all discussed this topic. Okay, right? And now, how do we measure the temperature? The temperature, which instrument to measure that? Yes, everyone know this answer. Thermometer. Celsius degrees. Okay, thermometer. Who invented that? Celsius only. So that's why Celsius thermometer or centigrade. It measured in a centigrades. The measurement, which is from 10 degrees centigrade to 110 centigrade degrees. 110 centigrade degrees. Understand, it is? Similarly, Fahrenheit temperature, the thermometer also there. Fahrenheit thermometer. It is also measure the temperature, but it is in Fahrenheit. Understand? And if you see that highest temperature, for example, sun temperature, how do you measure that? Is it thermometer? No. If you take that, it will blast. So which one it is? Yes, pyrometer. The instrument, pyrometer, is also one kind of instrument. Highest temperatures can be recorded. Nearly 10,000 degrees of centigrade recorded in that. Understand, it is? Right. How do you measure the room temperature or classroom temperature? It is also one instrument there. What is that? Yes, 6 maximum and minimum thermometer. Understand? So you have to measure that average temperature of the month. How do you measure for your classroom? You have to calculate every day, 30 days. Understand? Then you can note down and add that all, and it is divided by the 30. Then you will get Average monthly temperature. Okay, right. If you want to get average monthly temperature, you have to calculate every month, means every day throughout year. Then you have to note down the particular month temperature, January month temperature, and February, March, April, so like that. And finally we add that month's temperatures and divided by the 12, means 12 months, no, year. Then you will get a annual temperature. Understand? Annual means average annual temperature in a month. You will get that. Right? Okay, right. Now coming to that. If you see in India, in which place recorded highest temperature? Do you know which state? You know where it is very hot, or third digit also there in the particular state? Yes. Where it is? Rajasthan. Rajasthan. In that Jaisalmer recorded that highest temperature in India. And similarly, less temperature record, even minus also record in that. In which place in India? Dras sector, Jammu and Kashmir area, Dras sector area recorded very less, minus temperatures recorded in that. Right. Now coming to that world countries, in which place recorded highest temperature in the world? What is the place? Do you know? African countries, in the African continent, 3 main latitude passing through one and only continent. It is only Africa. So in that particular place, one largest desert also there. Yes, Sahara. In that place only, in Sahara desert, the place that highest recorded temperature, high temperature recorded. Do you know which country it is? In which place? Azizia. This Muslim place, that's why I added all Azizia. All Azizia. It is located in Libyan country or Libya. And it is which continent? Africa. Understand? And in which month recorded highest temperature and which year recorded highest temperature? What is the highest temperature in that? You can see this. July 1922, it recorded that 57.8 degrees centigrades recorded in the Libya country. Understand? Equatorial region also there. Equator passes through in that. And next one, lowest temperature. Where is the lowest temperature recorded in that? In the world or on the earth? Vostok station. What is that? Vostok. You can see this. Vostok station. Where it is? Vostok station in Antarctica area. Understand it is? Means Vostok station means it is one. It is the particular in the particular place. Russian country scientists are investigating in that, and research center it is. Understand? Similarly, India also there. some research stations there in Antarctica and Arctic also there. In Arctic, what is the name of research station name of India in the Arctic region? Himadri. What is Himadri? Similarly, in Antarctica, what is that? In Antarctica, what are the research stations in Antarctica? South Gangotri is also called as Dakshina Gangotri. What is that? Dakshina Gangotri. The second one also known as Maitri station. Maitri. Almost first one closed. Second one there, it is Maitri. And third one, Bharati. It is started in 2012. Right? Now, in Vostok station in Russian country related, in Antarctica, what is the lowest temperature recorded? minus 89.2 centigrade degrees. In which year? July 1983 only. July 1983. Now, if you see in our entire continent or on the earth, what is the minimum temperature below? It is only the minimum temperature. The scientists decided that it won't be decreased. It's not there below than the particular temperature. So what is that minimum temperature below on our earth? It is minus 273.16 degrees of centigrades. Once again repeat, minus 273.16 degrees Celsius or centigrades. Understand it is right. Now, if you see in the entire world, it cannot be go below the temperature. Means what? Minus temperature. It is only the final minus 273.16 centigrade degrees of centigrades only. The temperature cannot go below that figure only. Right? Now, we'll see that differences. If you see, we already learnt different places, they recorded different temperatures. The temperatures also increasing or decreasing based on the latitudes. Based on the latitudes. If you see that 0 degree latitude area, the temperature is highest or more. Insolation also more in the particular place. Insolation also more, means incoming solar radiation. The particular places recorded highest temperatures. 0 degree means equator area. And similarly, if you move from equator towards poles, you see that this is equator. You are moving towards pole, not pole and south pole. Then what you will observe? Temperature will decrease. Yes. Understand it is. So now, different kinds of temperatures are there. You will see that moderate and extreme climate conditions and continental climate condition also there. Moderate and extreme climate conditions there. What is this moderate? Moderate climate conditions mostly appear in coastal areas only. Coastal areas are where the water bodies are there in the near. island areas or in that peninsular areas, you will see this kind of South India entirely peninsular plateau there, India. So the temperatures are differently there when compared to North India. Understand? And extreme climate conditions. What is that extreme climate conditions? We see some examples. Moderate and extreme climate conditions. Best example, one is if you take that Panaji, means Panaji the capital of Goa. Another one, if you see that Hyderabad or in the Delhi area. So these are located in that faraway place from the seashore or sea areas. So here we have to discuss about differences. Understand what is moderate and what is extreme. Moderate means there is no much difference between the highest temperature and lowest temperature. That is called moderate. Moderate means almost equal or same. If you see in that Panaji area, means Panaji, it's located in that seashore. Even in the winter season or even in that summer season, maximum or minimum temperatures are same or equal only. There is no much difference between that. Understand it is. So it is called as a moderate climate conditions. Mostly coastal areas are where the touches the oceans or the seas. So that climate conditions are mostly, it's known as moderate only. If you see that Chennai, it is also moderate climate conditions in Chennai, because it is also located in that seashore area only. Understand it is. And next, here it is another one, extreme. What is that extreme? Extreme means, previously we discussed moderate means there is no much difference, but in that extreme climate conditions means that maximum and minimum temperatures are more only, not less or not equal, more. Maximum temperature is very highest, more. Minimum temperature also more, minus, or in that more only. Even in the summer season or even in the winter season, these are all differences only, completely difference. In summer temperature highest there in that Delhi area or in that Hyderabad area, because of due to more insulation pick out in the land, and air also get hot, and similarly at the time pick out the highest temperatures during summer. And next in the winter season, also more very cold climate conditions. If you see in Delhi area, morning up to 10 also snowfall going on during the winter season. Similarly in Hyderabad area also. Understand? So this is only all highest. But if you whereas in that moderate climate conditions, in that equally only, not more difference or much difference. Do you understood this point? Yes, I hope you that you understood. Yes, it is. Similarly, here it is in Visakhapatnam area. It is located in the coastal area. Understand? And if you see that Visakhapatnam, when you compare to the Visakhapatnam and Vijayawada, Visakhapatnam is located in the coastal area, and mostly the climate conditions are influenced by the coastal. Coastal means what it is? Bay of Bengal area it is. Bay of Bengals. See there. But in the Vijayawada, there is no sea. There is no water body surrounding that. So that Vijayawada also far away place from that. In that extreme cold climate conditions, here it is moderate climate conditions. Visakhapatnam moderate. In Vijayawada, extreme. If you see extreme climate conditions, also called as continental climate. Keep in mind that continental climate. The continental climate conditions mostly appears in the places where the far away place from the seashore or sea areas or water body areas. Understood? Thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe my channel. మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, అండ్ ఫైనల్లీ క్లిక్ ఆన్ ది బెల్ ఐకాన్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.